Hello viewers, we will learn about difference between few, a few, and the few. These words are used as quantifier. That is, they express the quantity of something. 1. Few. Emphasis a small number of things. 2. A few means some. And 3. The few refers to not many. In the present video, we shall explore more differences between these words. A. Few means not many, hardly any. Few has a negative meaning. Examples. 1. Few people can keep a secret. It means not many people can keep a secret. 2. Few men are free from faults. 3. Few towns in Pakistan have public libraries. 4. Few men reach the age of 100 years. B. A few means some. A few has a positive meaning. 1. A few words spoken in earnest will convince him. 2. I have got a few questions to ask. 3. I have a few places in mind. 4. A few Persians write Urdu correctly. C. The few means not many, but all there are. Examples. 1. The few remarks that he made were very suggestive. 2. The few friends he has are all educated. 3. The few clothes he had were all torn. Difference between little, a little, and the little. A. Little means not much. That is, hardly any. Little has a negative meaning. Examples. 1. There is little hope for his recovery. It means he is not likely to recover. 2. He showed little concern for his nephew. 3. He has little appreciation of good poetry. B. A little means some, though not much. A little has a positive meaning. 1. There is a little hope of his success. That is, he may possibly pass. 2. A little tact would have saved the situation. 3. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. C. The little means not much, but all there is. 1. The little knowledge of painting that he possessed stood him in good stead. It means the knowledge of painting he possessed was not much, but all that knowledge stood him in good stead. 1. The little information he had was not quite reliable.
Thanks for watching.